Yeah, can you send police? Come quick.
What is the location?
Yeah, I'm outside of a Panera Bread with my armored truck, and there's two guys with cameras. And, can you guys hurry? They both have film in them.
Alright guys, what we have here is a grown man who's in a bulletproof vest with a loaded firearm on his hip, and he also has a fully armored vehicle, and he's on the phone with the police about two men with video cameras. This video is nothing but 100% evidence that our government is slowly but surely dumbing down the people while instilling fear within the people. During the mid-1700s, Benjamin Franklin quoted, "For those who would give up a little bit of essential liberty for a little bit of safety deserve neither liberty or safety." Now this video, it comes from a channel called Auditing America, and they go from town to town into certain municipal buildings and public, anywhere in public, and they film public servants in the course of their duties and actions. And what they're trying to do is see if the people who work for the public will respect their constitutional oath that they took, that people will have freedom of the press and freedom of speech in the United States. This video picks up as the guys from Auditing America are walking down a sidewalk, and they come across a armored money truck, and the people inside the truck begin to stare because they have cameras. Well, when you stare at a guy who has a camera in his hand, more than likely he's going to film you. But you would think most people would know that. Anyway, what ends up happening is the passenger in the armored truck becomes offended because he's completely uneducated on the fact that you cannot trespass the eyes in public, and whatever you can see in the public, you can also film. And everybody in the United States has a freedom to the press. We are the press. I'll leave their channel link in the description, and let's get right on in the video.
I'm sorry? Yes.
What?
Just my own purpose.
You can't do that.
You can't do that? Why not? Is it illegal?
No. They don't want you taking pictures of armored cars.
Oh, really? Is that a law?
Is the First Amendment gone in New Haven?
Is it illegal to record you guys? I can't record you without your consent? Is that like against the law? Are you Puerto Rican? So, bro, you should know we have the First Amendment, right? That's fine. Just get going. Delete the video. Not gonna happen. All right. Did you know it's perfectly legal to record in public?
But I don't want you recording me. And you're supposed to.
So you're calling the police. So you're calling the police for that?
Yeah.
Really?
And we work American. We're armored trucks.
Okay. And we're public citizens.
Hi, green shirt with blue and white stripes. He's got tattoos, stars on his left hand. He's got like a flower on his right hand. Probably Hispanic. Might be Puerto Rican because he recognized my face. No, he was just recording, and he's still recording now. So I asked him, hey, you recording me again? I was like, well, I don't want you recording me. I work for the armored trucks. You're recording the truck, man. So I asked him to delete the video. He said, no, this is America. We got freedom of speech.
And freedom of the press.
Freedom of press.
So if you know it's not a crime, why are you recording it?
I know, you're just wasting tax dollars.
Start of World France. Start of World. D-E-R-D-A. World, W-O-R-L-D.
Why are you snitching to the cops for something that's not a crime?
Yeah, he's still here. He's still recording. My name is Luciano Martinez. L-U-C-E-N-A. M-A-R-T-I-N-E-Z.
Come on, Martinez. There's no need for that.
It's Luciano Martinez.
Whatever. I call you whatever you want. I call you whatever I want. You're calling cops for something stupid.
Why are you snitching to something that's legal, dog?
Yeah, true. Okay. Yep. Yeah, you're right. Makes sense. 860.
This guy. He's giving us Puerto Ricans a bad name right now. Ah, cool.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
You do know that you just wasted tax dollars, right?
I don't care.
Well, you should care.
On something that's not illegal.
I don't care.
Why are
dog.
you telling them?
Look, it's my privacy, dog. No.
You're in public.
It's not your privacy.
You're public.
There's no
How
privacy
is-
in public.
Dog,
There's no privacy
you're
in
sitting here
public.
recording an armored truck.
Okay.
Yeah, and then why are you
feel like
snitching
this-
on something that's not illegal? Why are you tattletelling like a little kid over something that's not illegal?
You guys are
You're snitching.
No, you're stupid.
Snitching over a First Amendment right.
Dude, I do security.
Okay, so
my job is to
so
snitch.
why are you snitching?
Your job
my
is-
job's to snitch.
My job is to snitch
To
on
snitch
legal
constitutionally
activity.
protected activities?
Yes, you guys heard correctly. His job is to snitch on people. All any company wants is a really good and obedient worker who still protects all their assets and who's just not smart enough to figure out that they're only being used for profit.
Jesus.
Snitch.
No, man, you're funny. You're calling the cops for
standing here. You can't tell
because somebody took a picture of you.
Hey, yo, free. I'm gonna call the police on two dudes. I'm at 1060 Chapel. I had to call the police on two guys because they were sitting here recording the truck, like the ashes in there. So so I come in and I'm like, yo, buddy, I'm recording. He's like, oh, you can record out there. You don't record us. So I was like, I don't think you can send the recording. He's like, oh, it's freedom of media. Yeah, the police are coming. Yeah, they're trying to round me out. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm pissed.
You're pissed. I should be pissed for you wasting tax dollars.
You see? Yeah, you hear them? They're like, oh, we're wasting tax dollars.
You are. You're saying your job is to snitch. That's like so. That's definitely not part of your job. Your job is to pick up money and take it to the bank. That's your job. What do you think about this, Will Turbot?
Well, you know, he just admitted. I mean, there's nothing else to say. He just said, my job is to snitch, and he said it's not illegal, but he still called the cops anyway. So I think that's pretty interesting that he called the cops for something not illegal, and he knew it wasn't illegal, and he said it's his job to snitch. He's proud of it. So, hey, what else can you say?
Now this right here is exactly why I said that the majority of Americans are being dumbed down through things like fluoride in the water and just simply keeping people so busy with work and school that all they have time for is the evening news. And that's no accident. That's by design. Because by that point, the people are left with no option but a quick peek at local and mainstream propaganda pieces. This whole system that we live in and that we've been indoctrinated into is a lot like Russian physiologist Igor Pavlov showed. He showed that through repetitive conditioning that dogs and cats, which learn very similar to humans, can also be trained and conditioned when presented with a stimulus like a bell or a sound, or in the case of a person, a television. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and skip through some of the video where the guys are basically just talking back and forth, and I'm going to get right into when the police show up on the scene.
Yeah.
And you're giving us Puerto Rican a bad name, dude. I'm Puerto Rican just like you. You're giving us a bad name. You should take off that flag.
I'm not doing nothing, dog.
You are.
You're snitching on something that's not illegal.
From recording you, right, without your permission. How do you feel? Especially if look, he's recording you.
We're being recorded everywhere we go.
We're being recorded everywhere.
He's being an idiot calling the cops.
Have you ever called the cops on the NSA spying on you? You don't care about the NSA spying. You don't care about the cameras.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
All
You
right.
guys both hate the First Amendment.
Do you hate the First Amendment?
Did you ever call the cops on the NSA cameras everywhere spying? No.
Okay, so the police is here, so he's about to do the walk of shame, guys. How you doing, officer?
1 second. I'm gonna help you. Yeah. I called him because I come out to Panera Bread. My dad is sitting in the truck. We work for Garderwell. Right. They're sitting here just recording. I asked. I noticed that they're sitting here just recording. I'm like, you can't record it? So yeah, but I don't give you consent to record. Security company. They're like, oh no, it's perfectly legal to record you. I was like, even without my consent. So security.
We have freedom of the press.
You're in the public. So
Just give me a second, my man. Just give me a second.
I don't
want.
Okay.
So I was like,
As long as you don't interfere with me.
so I was calling. I called my boss and I explained to him that.
Okay.
I was telling him,
Interfere.
I'm trying to say, I find them and go, oh, you're going to be with the driver. So like,
All right. So let me just explain something. They could record.
Yeah.
As long as they don't interfere with what you do as your job.
Cool.
Okay.
So even if it's a security issue for.
Well, it's like us. They could record us as long as they don't interfere with me, and I don't have to distract my duty to them. So
if I don't give them consent to record me, they start.
well, as long as they don't interfere, like that, they should have a particular distance. As long as like while you're taking down your money or whatever, and they don't either try to keep your safe distance or your protocol, they could record basically.
Which you
just wasted tax money, buddy.
Yeah, he's
They
in.
don't want to escalate the situation.
We're not.
Okay?
We're not.
Either.
We're
He
saying
did. He did. He's
he
calling
did.
on
All right,
First
but
Amendment right.
they do have a protocol. You know,
to call the police on the First Amendment
whenever there's
activity.
suspicious activities that do handling money.
What's
currency.
suspicious about recording?
Okay, they don't know who you are and they carry.
I don't know who he is.
Well,
Yeah, but there's cameras on all the street
Just
corners.
relax,
The NSA, you
okay?
guys got body cameras.
I am relaxed.
don't worry about it. Don't worry. We deal with this every day.
So if they post me on the internet and everything, what
Yes.
It's go.
I can-
go
I
read
can
the
profit off of
Constitution.
it.
Go read the
Well,
Constitution.
This guy's an idiot.
As long as,
What an idiot.
You know, they don't apprehend. You know, they don't intervene with any of your.
You're retarded, bro. You're retarded. You just call the police for
now,
nothing.
Okay. Besides it, you can record you want.
freedom
but
of
if you
speech.
No.
I
Time
guess
out.
I'm not.
If
I'm
you
not.
escalate the situation, it becomes a breach of peace right now.
How?
So just relax.
How? How am I
Okay?
doing that? How am I doing that, officer?
You
You see, this guy's already saying I'm breaking the law.
No. Interfering with your job means like if they prevented you from going inside the store or they like blocked your way in any way. Did they do that in any way?
No, they was just standing on the side.
Yeah. So that basically that's yeah. Well, it does look. It is what it is nowadays. All right. So as long as they ain't trying to grab your bag, they ain't interfere with blocking your entrance or you're going back to the truck, or while you're loading your truck, they're like up on you. All right. As long as they didn't do that, then they're good to go. Okay.
That's right.
Just call, do what you got to do.
So how do you feel right now? How do you feel, sir? You just wasted tax dollars. You just wasted tax dollars. He should be looking for a criminal right now.
The police say they're okay to record us.
Look, we recorded him earlier. He didn't call for backup or anything. Did we record you earlier?
Everything's okay. They were just recording him. I told him as long as they don't interfere with him, prevent him from doing his job.
Yeah, he's being retarded by calling the police.
The situation for becoming a breach between them two, they're good to go.
Yeah, but he's also saying that I'm disturbing the peace by exercising my First Amendment. I'm not doing any loud, unreasonable noises or anything. So, well, he did. He escalated by calling you guys.
No problem.
Well, guys, that's it for now. I appreciate everybody stopping by and checking out the video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe. And leave your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video.